Shiba Inu about to explode. Its real value is about to arrive. Welcome. Before starting, I want to invite you to the Topcoin Telegram group. There are excellent earning methods. While, if you want to receive a 10% bonus by depositing money, BINGX has a great promo for you. I'll leave the link in the description. Shiba Inu heats up when an unknown address that has been dormant for 528 days comes out of dormancy to burn 372 million SHIB tokens. Members of the Shiba Inu community are paving the way for a potential rise in the price of SHIB as they incinerate considerable quantities of it in a bid to support the ongoing burning campaign. 1 year and 4 months of dormant address awakened to burn 372 million SHIB according to an update provided yesterday by SHIB. The community has burned 392,376,644, 392.37 million SHIB tokens in 18 transactions. With the SHIB exchange at $0.00002711, the value of the tokens burned amounted to $10,637. Interestingly, one particular burn transaction stood out among the 18 transactions recorded on April 21. Specifically, the anonymous user behind the transaction sent 372,663,448, 372.66 million, to Shiba Inu's official burn wallet in a single transaction. Etherscan on-chain data shows that the wallet has been inactive for 528 days. The first transaction recorded on the address after this period was the incineration of 372.66 Shiba Inu tokens. Notably, the Crypto Basic reported a similar incident earlier this month, noting that an unknown wallet broke out of 141 days of dormancy to burn SHIB. At the time of writing, the address involved in the latest development had a 0 SHIB balance, suggesting it has burned through all its holdings in Shiba Inu. However, at the time of writing, the wallet still contains other crypto assets worth $7,687. Shiba Inu burn rate drops above 99%. Meanwhile, the total burns recorded in the last 24 hours for Shiba Inu currently stands at approximately 3,179,628, 3,170.6 million SHIB. Following the massive drop in SHIB's daily consumption, the token's consumption rate has dropped by 99.20% in the last 24 hours. Spike SHIB by 15.7% amid increased burns. Members of the Shiba Inu community have shown commitment to reducing the circulating supply of SHIB through burns. In the first quarter of 2024, the community incinerated 26,336,410,083, 26.33 billion SHIB tokens. With 8 days left until the end of April, the community has already incinerated significant quantities of Shiba Inu tokens. Over 410.72 trillion shibs have been destroyed since the token's inception in 2021. However, the canine-themed token still has a notable circulating amount of 589 trillion tokens. The increase in burns coincided with a market recovery. At last check, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 15.7% on the weekly charts. This price increase follows a period of prolonged turbulence. Shiba Inu is now trying to push towards the $0.00003946 price level after recently breaking out of a multi-week descending wedge on the 4-hour chart. The broader cryptocurrency market is now recovering, with several assets looking to recoup losses from the last 2 weeks. Shiba Inu is one such asset, having suffered a 44% plunge from a high of $0.00003285 on March 28 to a 6-week low of $0.00001830 on April 13. Shiba Inu traded in a consolidation after a slight recovery from the low of $0.00001830, ranging between $0.00002383 and $0.00002083 from 14th to 19th April. However, SHIB has recorded an impressive comeback in the wake of the latest Bitcoin halving, which occurred at 0009 UTC on April 20. Shiba Inu in a falling wedge. SHIB posted a massive 14.43% gain on April 20, breaking above $0.000025 resistance and breaking above the 50-day EMA, $0.00002454. Interestingly, crypto analyst and creator of Binance Square has observed a notable pattern among Shiba Inu's recent price movements on the 4-hour time frame. Its chart data confirms that Shiba Inu has been trading inside a descending wedge since it fell from the high of $0.00004567 on March 5. Specifically, a falling wedge pattern forms when prices move within a narrow, downward-sloping range, suggesting that a downtrend is underway. A loss of momentum and an upward reversal may be on the horizon. During its recent recovery campaign, which has seen it recover 30% of its value since April 19, Shiba Inu has now broken above the descending wedge pattern, signaling the start of the bullish reversal. The chart suggests that SHIB may experience a slight retracement to retest the upper trendline of the descending wedge. SHIB aims for $0.00003946, however. Following this new test, Shiba Inu is poised to witness a massive rise in prices, similar to the upward push experienced from February 28 to March 5. If that were to occur, he expects a sustained rally to $0.00003946. However, the Shiba Inu is expected to overcome several obstacles along his path to the ultimate goal, with the first resistance level positioned at $0.00002803. This resistance point served as an obstacle to SHIB's upward surge yesterday, when it crossed the psychological threshold of $0.000028. The SHIB is up 3% today as it moves to retest the resistance level. If this obstacle were to fall, the next crucial resistance would be located at $0.00003491, aligning with Fibonacci 0.618. Shiba Inu is trading for $0.00002711 at last check, with multiple forecasts projecting a push towards $0.0001 in the long term. Amid prevailing sentiments remain high, with investors continuing to hold on to their Shiba Inu tokens for an extended period of time. In particular, Into the Block data confirms that over 1 million SHIB addresses have held their tokens for more than a year, with over 11,000 wallets containing at least 1 billion shibs. The Shiba Inu team has raised $12 million through the yet-to-be-released Treat token to facilitate an upcoming Layer 3, L3, privacy blockchain. In a recent post on X, Shiba Inu ecosystem content marketer Lucy highlighted the development, noting that the funds came from an investment round. According to the report, the Shiba Inu development team raised $12 million by selling Treat to venture capital investors outside the United States. Questi investitori comprendono grandi nomi come Mechanism Capital, Polygon Ventures, Shima Capital, Big Brain Holdings, Morningstar Ventures, Animoca Brands, DWF Ventures, Woodstock Fund, 3 Ventures eStake Capital. Shiba Inu ecosystem leader Satoshi Kusama confirmed the development in a statement. He noted that fundraising includes pre-seed and seed rounds. Additionally, Kusama revealed that Shiba Inu started the fundraising process several months ago and concluded it in early April. Meanwhile, he refrained from revealing specific figures regarding the valuation. However, an anonymous source revealed that the fundraising was structured in 3 tranches. The valuations for each tranche were reportedly $75 million, $100 million, and $200 million. Shiba Inu upcoming L3 privacy blockchain. In particular, the fundraising aims to accelerate efforts to launch Shiba Inu's privacy-based Layer 3 blockchain, which is being developed on Shibarium. Surprisingly, Kusama decided not to reveal the name of the next blockchain. The move is to prevent potential scam attempts similar to those that H.